I discovered there's one fruit Patrick is especially passionate about. A fruit he thinks can revolutionize the fight against world hunger.
Yeah, the breadfruit's my baby now.
And this is the only grove of its kind to be found anywhere in the United States.
Like a potato, but it actually ripens. And so the starches turn to sugars, and you can do you can do both savory and sweet dishes. So you can do like breadfruit chips, breadfruit fries, custard dishes from it.
Sounds like you can make just about anything.
You can make flour from it. You can
Yeah.
even make vodka. Super, super nutritious. It has complex carbohydrates, protein, fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B1, B3. It's a superfood. One breadfruit tree can feed a family of 4 for a lifetime. Grimmel Grove it's a foodie experience.
I can tell that right now.
So first things, try this one right here.
Whoa, man. Chocolate? Is it chocolate?
You got it, chocolate, yes.
Oh my gosh.
You know, chocolate comes from the seeds of cacao. The white stuff is the fruit, and the seeds is actually where chocolate comes from.
I just learned something right now because
Isn't
I
that
never
cool?
knew that. This looks beautiful.
Are you familiar with this one?
Something about passion?
No, it's dragon fruit.
Dragon?
Dragon fruit.
Oh,
It grows on a cactus. This is a red variety.
Wow. There's just a hint of sweetness there.
A little earthy with a
Yeah,
with a
very
hint of
earthy.
yeah.
All right, what else? What else we got?
I'm gonna try this one right here.
This looks like macadamia.
You got that.
This is my favorite nut.
Your favorite nut?
This is my favorite nut. So apologies if you find me wandering through the garden.
Don't be
here.
stealing my macadamia nuts.
Okay, right. Well,
What do you think this is?
this looks like some beautiful mango.
It is. It's actually from the tree I told you that is the inspiration for Grimmel Grove.
Wow.
Isn't that good?
That is so sweet and so fresh. This is like perfect ripeness right now.
I've saved the best for last, Christina. Try this one and tell me what you think it is.
Yeah? Is this the breadfruit?
This is the breadfruit.
Oh my
Isn't it
god.
amazing?
This is incredible.